sorry. My foot just touched his pants for like half a second.
Look at her shoes, okay? Let me show you her shoes. Okay, these dirty ass things that she wore all day hiking, okay, and didn't even wash.
Wonder what the sign means.
That means pause, right? That's what I so no pausing.
I guess it could mean like no stopping there. So we actually made 3 friends and now we're here at the bowling alley, which is supposed to be like a fun place to come to at night, fun activity to do. No!
Can't record that one. No.
So of course Noman's winning, but he's tied, so let's see what he gets now. Round 2. Not doing so well. It's okay, I'm doing even worse. Another day, another cafe. Look at our view with this drink. With these street style smoothie time. Mango and passion fruit. Very interesting combination, but it's actually good. Explore the night market a little bit because I need to up my style game. Successful market run. Also successful bargaining. This dress was $75,000 and I got her to go down to 60 without much effort. I'm getting so good at this. Doing a 1-hour massage. Our massage was so good and now we got some tea. This is what it looks like when the night market is wrapping up. Right now it's 10:30 p.m. So you could see they like take all their stuff and they either package it like this or put it into one of these things and then just drive away for the night. And they're back here tomorrow during the day. So we've been noticing there's a huge like forest fire just across the river. We can actually like hear the fire crackling. And it's like a lot, but nobody seems concerned about it. So we're gonna see if someone can explain it to us later. Woke up at 5 and this is to see the alms giving ceremony. There's nobody down this street, but you can see people on this side starting to like gather around. I think they're setting up. You can see the street sign is up. It says no entry. So hopefully we're gonna get to see some of the monks start coming by later. It's 5:37 and we're gonna go downstairs because I don't think we can actually see from our balcony. I think these women are selling sticky rice to the people that are sitting on the ground over there. Like fresh food that they've made today morning. Right now we're on Kounxoau Road. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's the road where our hotel is. But these monks actually go to all the other parallel streets as well. There they are. They're starting to come. We don't want to go too close because it's like considered disrespectful. So I guess that was one round. And then now I think more of them will come because they all come from different monasteries around the city. I just want to give an appreciation shout out to Nomad. He's really struggling right now. First of all, he struggled to get up because he slept much later than me. I don't know why, but and then after, now he's just struggling to stay up and there's a rooster going off. Why is this guy on a scooter? They're actually not even allowed to have any vehicles on this road right now. But yeah, but he still pulled through and came downstairs and got up for me. Round 3. I'm not sure what's going on here, but some of them put some stuff in this basket. You can see that they are so many different ages. Like there's little kids and then really old men too. Last morning in Luang Prabang. This is it. This is the airport. No one thinks our plane is going to be really small. The airport is dead. This is the entire departure side of the airport. So tiny. We're inside. This is gate 1 and 2, and there's only 2 other gates that are upstairs. There's the VIP airport lounge, which by the way is closed right now. We found another lounge, but it's literally empty. Looks like an abandoned building. Time to board. I think this is their last flight for the day, which is at 4:30 p.m. by the way. That's why they're starting to close everything. This is our plane. We're the only airplane in the whole airport right now.